Ningbo Million Pack Company Limited has been deeply engaged in the disposable food packaging industry, committed to providing the highest quality and most cost-effective, eco-friendly disposable packaging solutions. As a leading manufacturer and exporter of disposable paper food packaging products based in Ningbo manufacture and supply over 1,000 types of food-graded disposable paper packaging products, including pasta boxes, noodle boxes, Asian food boxes, rice boxes, takeout boxes, food containers, sushi boxes, salad boxes, sandwich boxes, food, trace paper bowls, paper coffee cups, cold drinking cups, ice cream cups, cake boxes, soup cups, popcorn buckets, paper bags, bamboo products, sugar cane plates, and sugar cane bowls. Additionally, we develop and design at least 2 new products weekly to meet customer needs. Million Pack boasts a professional team ensuring product and service quality, with annual sales exceeding 2 million. We export 100% of our products globally, serving North America, South America, Austria, Europe, Asia, and the Middle Eastern state-of-the-art facilities, and rigorous quality control system guarantee. Total customer satisfaction products carry SGS Food Grade Certification, TV certification, and ISO 9001:2015 compliance, ensuring material and ink safety for food contact. Our formidable manufacturing capabilities set us apart. Operating from a 6,000+ square meter GMP-standard clean workshop, we feature a complete end-to-end production line integrating coating, printing, die cutting, and automated forming. We prioritize customer needs and serve over 3,000 customers worldwide, including clients in Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, the USA, and the Middle East. Whether you are a wholesaler, retailer, caterer, or cafe owner in need of disposable packaging, Trillion Packies, your dedicated partner. Welcome to visit our factory or contact us via call mail for quotations.
Welcome to Million Pack.